going to do in Minecraft is we're going to build a small, tiny boat. And what we're going to do after we make the boat is we're going to get some TNT, some villager eggs, and we're going to put all the villagers inside of the boat. And then we're going to blow up the boat. Yeah, I know, I'm savage. You're welcome. I am savage. You're welcome. Alright guys, so what you're going to be needing in this video for making this boat is you're going to need some stripped oak wood planks, and some glass. Just a big block glass. Not the thin glass. Okay, so you're going to get the stripped wood. And you're going to do this. You're just going to break everything that's right here. Just like that. Okay, now you're going to break this over here. Because you don't want it there. No, you don't. Now that's gone. Okay, now let's make this, and make it all the way into a big, small, medium kind of boat. I really don't know what I'm talking about right now. I do not. Okay, so when you're done with the boat, it should look like this. It should look exactly like this, right about right. This in front of me. Jack, I'm flying! Yay, I'm flying! Jack, are you dead? Alright, now guys, it's time for the villager part. Yay! Okay, Don't tell me Tim I won't be home this Christmas. Okay. Okay, now we need to get some of the TNT. And this block. And we'll put all of this right here. Now we're just going to fill up this whole spot right here with TNT. Just like this. Just like that. Just like that. Yep. Just like that. Okay, now, this time, the villagers won't escape. That kind of made me mad. Okay, let's do this. This. And this. And that. And 3, 2, 1. Villagers are not sorry. Bye-bye. We're gonna fly. Woohoo! Okay, we're not flying. That sucks. Well, that was kind of messed up. It didn't even blow up the whole ship. At all. Nope, it did not. No, it did not. Alright guys, so if you want to see more TNT explosions or killing villagers or mobs, be sure to hit that like button. And remember to like and subscribe. And hit